In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot missing digital product delivery emails on Gumroad. If a customer says they bought your product but never received the download email, don't worry. There are a few simple things you can check to make sure everything is set up correctly and to help the buyer get access as quickly as possible. First, go to your Products tab and open the product that the customer is having trouble with. This is the best place to start, because you want to confirm that the issue isn't related to the product setup itself. Once you're inside the product, head over to the Content tab. Here, carefully verify that your digital files have actually been uploaded if it's a downloadable product. If your product uses an external redirect instead, make sure that link is correct and still working properly. A broken or missing file, or an incorrect redirect link, can prevent the buyer from getting what they paid for. So it's worth double checking this step thoroughly. After you've confirmed the product content is set up correctly, move to the sales area and locate the customer's order. Open that order and then click resell or resend to send a fresh delivery email. This is often the quickest fix, especially if the original email was delayed, filtered, or missed. Sending a new copy gives the customer another chance to access their purchase without having to place a new order. Next, let the buyer know to check their spam or junk folder. Delivery emails sometimes end up there, especially if the customer's email provider is strict about automated messages. It's also helpful to ask them to search their inbox for the sender address, noreply@gumroad.com. That search can often find the message even if it didn't appear in the main inbox at first glance. If the customer still hasn't received access after all of that, the next thing to verify is the payment status on the order. Open the order details and make sure the payment is marked as paid, not pending. This is important because if a payment is still pending, the delivery process may not be completed yet. In that case, the customer may simply need to wait until the payment finishes processing before the product can be delivered. By checking the product content, resending the delivery email, guiding the customer to search for the message, and confirming the payment status, you can resolve most delivery issues quickly and professionally.